Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Born Pretty haul. They sent over this package and I am excited to see what's inside. Y'all, are you impressed? Actually a nice feeling box that I was able to open that package. So this is a really pretty rosy color, and this is in the color Refined Loss. This is a really pretty dusty pink. I'm doing it super thin because I would do 2 coats of this one. It might not even need a second coat. Next up is that really pretty green. This is Blue Light, which is that kind of sage green. And I think this would be perfect for springtime into summer. Like if you want a light green background for some of your flowers this year, I think this would be a great color for it. I'm sorry, I can't read autumn, but it's a yellow, it looks like. This would be really pretty for like a bumblebee set. I may have to do that because I have a couple yellows in my collection now and I've been really enjoying yellow, so I might have to do that. And I'm gonna apply this in 2 thin coats because you might get some shadowing if you do it just in 1 coat. Next up we have is Begone Flowers, which it looks like a darker, a darker kind of pink. Okay, this is definitely a 1 coat coverage. I mean, you can obviously do 2 thin coats, but this one is super pigmented. That's a really pretty color too. All right, next up is Moon Marks. And this is your dusty blue. And I would do 2 thin coats with this one. Next up, looks like a peach. Yes, Her Smiles. And this is definitely a really pretty peach. So peach can go kind of more orange or more pink. This to me is the more, obviously not orange, more pink peach. And I would do 2 thin layers. I got this on a little thick, so I'll probably only need 1, but you're gonna wanna do 2 thin layers. All right, here are all the colors swatched. I think these are beautiful colors. For me personally, I think this is a springtime collection, or if you're adding it into summer, if you're not into neon like I am, this would actually be really nice to partner with a neon or a brighter color and kind of add depth to your nails if you use this outside of spring. Again, I think this is a spring collection, but I think it could also complement a really pretty summer collection as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.